What's up guys, it's Deontay with Premium Lifestyle Detailing. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day out there. Hey, I would stop too to check this thing out. This is my first video on this channel, my detailing page, where I'm gonna be detailing stuff like this all the time. I'm just kidding. This is my very first video for this page, Intro to Premium Lifestyle Detailing. And I thought, wouldn't it be a better way to start it than with a gated Murcielago that's wrapped in like this like chrome red, looking insane. If you guys are interested in seeing someone new, upcoming in the dip. If you guys are interested in watching, you laughing. If you guys are interested in, don't laugh.
I'm sorry, dude.
Now you're gonna make me laugh the rest of the time. All right, ready? I'm gonna get it this time. If you guys are interested in seeing someone new, starting from the ground up with detailing and showing all my struggles, tips and tricks and stuff I learned along the way, this is the channel for you. So definitely consider subscribing. Let's hop right into the detail.
So I had this thing for at least like maybe 10 years now. It's a weekend.
All right, you guys, just wrapped up the interior. And if you guys are wondering how we get it popping so good in the inside, Aerospace 303 protectant. It leaves a nice, like, it leaves a really good shine, but it's not super slippery, and it kind of dries to like a matte, so it's amazing. We're setting up the pressure washer now for just a quick wash. We're just gonna foam it down, well, rinse it, clean the wheels, and then foam it down, give her a good wipe down wash, and then dry it up, and we're gonna call it a day. About 45 minutes to knock this out, so we should be good. Hey guys, real quick, like the biggest lesson I've ever learned is putting the tip on all the way, right? Putting it on all the way, and then spraying it away from the car before you spray on the car, because last time we washed the bikes, I had my little brother do it, and then he put it right onto the bike, and the thing just shot out and hit the bike. So always make sure this thing's on all the way, then test it, and then start washing the car. You guys wanna know why I call it premium lifestyle? Because we water your plants as well.
Full service.
All right, all the air's out. Good to go. Cisco's wrapping up the last wheel. Before we go with the rinse and the foam, I want to point out that these right here are the intakes, and this back part right here with the glass is actually exposed to the engine. Tons of airflow in there, but what we're gonna do is spray it this way so that the soap does not get into the engine bay. Try to keep that as clean as possible. It is a wrapped car, guys, so be careful not to get too close. Oh, look at that ceramic coat. Come here, come close. The beads on here? I'll say no ceramic coated, guys. That's so satisfying. guys, that's gonna wrap up the detail. The owner was in a really big rush to leave, and we kind of finished like 5 minutes late. But we took our time with the interior. The interior looks spotless. Yeah, so that's the beginning. That's the first video of this channel. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You probably not, because it's my first video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.